Assalamualaikum students. Today we are going to learn about the organ responsible for photoreceptor, which is eye. We have two eyes in our human body and through which we can see the objects clearly. But there is the whole concept behind its working. How does it work? For understanding the work of it, we will have to understand the parts of eye, which we are gonna learn with detail here. First of all, we will learn the outer parts of the eye, which are cornea and sclera. These are the outer parts. The cornea is also a part of sclera, but the difference between it is that cornea is the part is a whitish, clear and transparent part. It is located at our anterior part of our eyeball. But sclera is a tough outer cover of our eye, which is present in the posterior part of our eye. What is the main work of it? It protects and make the shape of our eye. Now we will go forward to the aqueous humor. What is aqueous humor? It is a fluid. It is a watery fluid present behind the sclera. Now at number 4, it's the iris. Iris is a colored part of an eye. Some people have blue iris and someone have brown iris, someone have black iris. So iris have different colors. Now at number 5, it's a pupil, and it's an opening which looks blackish in color and through which light enters into the eye. Now at number 6, it's mean behind the pupil, it is a lens. Our eyes have a convex lens, which becomes thinner for far objects. It's mean for seeing any object which is more far than us, the lens become thinner. But for seeing the nearer objects, the lens becomes thicker in shape. Now at number 7, it's a ciliary body, and it is the main cause of our lens size, our lens shape. It is a ring of circular muscles suspended to convex lens, which accommodate the shape of lens to adjust the focus point. Now at number 8, which is vitreous humor. It is the main cavity present behind the lens, which is filled with clear gel. So that's why it is called vitreous humor. At number 9, it is retina. It is the innermost part of our eye, which has a photoreceptor cells, which are cones and rods. It means retina has two receptor cells, which are cones and rods, in which 4 pigments are present. At number 1st, it is rhodopsins, which is responsible for seeing in the dim light. And other three pigments are present in the cones, which are red pigment, blue pigment, green pigment, which are responsible for seeing colored images. Now it's optic disc. At number 10, it is optic disc, which converts light signals into nerve impulses. At number 11, it's optic nerve, which is responsible for reporting nerve impulses to the brain. Now at number 12, it is a choroid. It is a layer in which blood vessels are present, and it is located in front of sclera, and it is a layer behind the sclera or next to the sclera.
I'm so opposite, I'm so bad.